Edgar and Joseph versus Winnie and Vicentino. Edgar and Joseph versus Winnie and Vicentino, court number 5. Court number 12, umpire number 12, court number 12, umpire.
Sunod dali. One lang.
17
Asa?
points, court number 12.
Asa ang imo na? Dire.
Jibril and Nathan versus Loy and Tom.
Ha? Kato. Kato, Banilan. Banilan? Ah. Ikaw, asa man ka? Ah, wala ka. Naan man ko. Championship 2-1. Three, one. Yay! So, pagit. 2-3.
Correction, court number 12, Stephen and John Michael versus Jibril and Nathan. Court number 12, correction, Stephen and John Michael versus Jibril and Nathan. Court number 12. And court number 5, Edgar and Joseph versus Winnie and
5-2.
Second ball, Edgar and Joseph versus Winnie and Vicentino in court number 5. In court number 12, Stephen and John Michael versus Jibril and Nathan. In court number 10, Joel Barriga and Christian versus Kulot and James. Joel Barriga and Christian versus Kulot and James.
7-2.
In
Kira ka
court
diha.
number 7, Lauren
O, kira ka diha.
versus Sima and Brando. Sima and Brando versus Warren and Wayne, court number 7.
9-2. Ayay.
In court number 8, Andre and Jumbo versus Prince and Daisy. Andre and Jumbo versus Prince and
10-2.
Daisy, court number 8. Court number 10, Joel Barriga and Christian versus Kulot and James.
11-2.
Yang tắm.
35 man din, no?
35 dai?
Finals. 12-2. Yay. 13-2.
Maday, kita sa sneaker.
Pilar ka stepping.
Right, murag binding. Oh, yeah. Mas funny.
Ay! Laksan gid. 3-13. Fourteen, 3.
Court number 8, Grace and JC versus Andre and Jojo.
4-14.
Court number 7, Gina and Mario versus Warren and Wayne.
Lagi, klaro kaayo. Ay. Ay. 5-15. Five.
Court number 9, Lance and Miguel versus Peach and Johnny. Court number 9, Lance and Miguel versus Peach and Johnny.
17-5.
Court number 3, Justin and Cindy versus RJ and Ariel. Court number 3, Justin and Cindy versus RJ and Ariel. Court number 2,
Out pag yun. 6-17.
Ron and Joe Francis versus Alvin and Junior, court number 2.
Lautman. 7-17.
Court number 3, Justin and SLP versus Orly and Ariel. Justin and SLP versus Orly and Ariel, court number 3.
Patay. 19-7.
Court number 4, Ivan Aguin versus Chandler and Johnson. Court number 4, Ivan Aguin versus Chandler and Johnson.
Twenty-one-7. Muguyag it. Ashel! Ashel!
Harold versus Omi and Cruz. Court number 6, Omi and Cruz versus Daniel and Harold.
22-7. Nap. Katong inyo ha gani ha kaya ra kay to ninyo. 21.
Court number 6,
24-7.
Court number 6, Omi and Cruz.
Out. 8-24.
Ivan Aguin, court number 4. Omi and Cruz, court number 6. Court number 6, Abay Matso.
Ah. 25-10. Ay, pagdali! Simpulay lang ati. $11.25.
Last start na lang. $26.11. Ay, sigsubok-subok.
Tuwatan, yes, mayang. $12.26. Ginhawa, ginhawa.
Court number 3, Brandon Lee versus Ed Butler. Court number 3, Brandon Lee versus Ed Butler.
27-12. Nailad mo siya.
11, Court 11 championship. Women's team, Yumi and Mika versus... I saw you do one. Breaking points, breaking under points, finals. Kendall and Glenn versus Fritz and Dave Andrew.
28-13.
13 under points. Kendall and Glenn versus Fritz Andrew. Dave Andrew. Ang kaya ko nila.
29-13. 35 di ko to.
Brandon Yumi and Ed Butler.
30-13.
Court number 11, championship, 13 under points. Kendall and Glenn, Fritz and Dave Andrew. 1-25 scoring.
31-13. 32-13. Thirty-three, 13. Kasod. 14-33. 15-33. 34-15. Wala pa na pa isa. Yay! 35-15. Champion! Yay! Bye-bye! Daghan kay nananaoras at ba? Bye!